Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Lutein, 20 mg, 60 VSoftgels. Product Overview Description. Wildcrafted supports visual function and macular health. VSoftgels Premium Dietary Supplement, Vegan, Non-GMO, Gluten-Free, Eco-Absorbable, GMP Manufacturing, Quality Assured, Independent Testing. Discussion. Lutein helps maintain normal, healthy eyesight. Suggested use. Take 1 capsule daily with a meal containing oil, fat, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: safflower oil, MCT oil and softgel, vitamin E, tocopherols, glycerin, tapioca starch, sunflower oil, and purified water. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, nuts, corn, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish, or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Do not use if you're pregnant or lactating. Consult your physician before use if you have a medical condition, or if you're taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use if you're allergic to plants of the Asteraceae/Compostaceae/Daisy family. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings, and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.